Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, KavuCreative. Today, I will be creating the Infinite Interlace 3D Hexagon logo using Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Double clicks on the artboard tool in the toolbar. Check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section, then press OK. Make Fill off. Select Polygon tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Right radius as 100 pixels and right sides as 6 and press OK. Again, select Polygon tool. Hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Right radius as 80 pixels and right sides as 6 and press OK. Hold Shift key and select all. Rotate it 90 degrees. Select Pen tool from Toolbar. Make shape as I do. Select Big Polygon and select Direct Selection tool from Toolbar. Hold Shift key and select both corners and click on it. Right radius as 20 pixels. Press OK. Select all and select Shape Builder tool from Toolbar. Swap stroke to fill. Make shape as I do. Now select all and hold Shift key and select shapes. Press Delete key. Select all and change stroke color. Go to Object menu. Select Expand. Press OK. Now go to Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Select Magic Wand tool from Toolbar. Select white color and press Delete key. Right-click and select Ungroup. Change its color from Color Palettes. Select both and select Rotate tool from Toolbar. Hold Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Right angle as 60 degrees. Press Copy. Press Ctrl+ D 4 times. Leave one and delete one. Do it 2 times. Select all and right-click and select Group. Hold Shift key and rotate it 90 degrees. Now it looks great. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful and you have questions, please comment below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you once more.